What is Bhramari breathing? Bhramari breathing is a technique where you slowly inhale through your nose and then exhale while making a gentle humming sound, similar to a bee. That's why it's often called the bee breath. The sound is soft, steady, and relaxing. Unlike fast breathing techniques, Bhramari is slow and calming. You don't force anything, you simply let the sound vibrate naturally. Why the humming sound matters. So why does this humming sound feel so calming? When you hum, vibrations travel through your throat, face, and skull. These vibrations stimulate a key part of your nervous system called the vagus nerve. When it's activated, your body shifts from stress mode to relaxation mode. The vagus nerve helps control your heart rate, breathing, and stress response. That's why after humming, many people feel calmer, more focused, less mentally noisy. What science said. Studies have shown that slow breathing combined with humming can reduce heart rate, improve oxygen circulation, promote a relaxed brain state. Brain scans suggest that calming practices like Bhramari may encourage alpha brainwaves, which are linked to relaxed awareness and creativity. This is the same mental state people experience during calm focus or light meditation. Important note: Bhramari is not a medical treatment, but it can support relaxation and mental clarity. How to practice Bhramari safely? Here's a simple and safe way to try it. First, sit comfortably with your spine straight. Second, gently close your eyes. Third, inhale slowly through your nose. Fourth, as you exhale, make a soft humming sound, like im. Fifth, feel the vibration in your face and head. Do this for 5 to 7 rounds. There should be no strain, no force, and no discomfort. If you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, stop immediately. When and why people use it? People often use Bhramari breathing before studying, during stress, before sleep, when overthinking. It helps create a pause between thoughts, a moment of calm. Sometimes, all the brain needs is silence plus vibration. In a noisy world, a simple sound can bring calm. Bhramari breathing reminds us that the body already knows how to relax, we just need to listen. If you found this interesting, stay curious. And if you'd like more science-backed calm techniques, follow for more.